Hey guys, today we're going to be building the structure 5-hexene-1-ol. It has 16 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds, and it's called hexene because there's an alkyne present in the structure, being one of the functional groups right here with the triple bond. And it has a heteroatom that is oxygen, giving it another functional group, being a primary alcohol. The molecule has 6 unique carbons and 6 unique hydrogens. It has 2 sp2 carbons and 4 sp3 carbons, sorry. The 4 sp3 carbons are present right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2 sp2 carbons are present right here on the alkyne triple bond. The molecule's CAS number is 928905. The boiling point is 73 to 75 degrees Celsius, and it has a physical state of being a liquid at 25 degrees Celsius. It also has 2 lone pairs that would be present on the oxygen atom. Also, the atom's molecular formula is C6H10O because there is 6 carbons in the atom, and there's 10 hydrogens in the atom and 1 oxygen present. The molecular weight is 98.14, and there is 2 degrees of unsaturation. Now we're going to build our structure being 5-hexene-1-ol. We're going to use 3 different kinds of atoms. The red atom is an oxygen atom, and we have one of these is present in the structure. We have our black atoms are going to be our carbon atoms, and we have 6 of those to make our 6 carbon chain. And then we have 10 hydrogen atoms being the white molecules. And we also have 3 bonds to make our alkyne. So we're going to start by building our 6 carbon chain down our structure. Two of these carbons are going to be connected by our triple bond. And now we're going to connect one of our 1 oxygen atom to one of the carbons. And now we're going to add on our hydrogen atoms. Each carbon atom is going to get 2 hydrogens, except for the last carbon atom in the alkyne gets 1 hydrogen, and our oxygen atom at the end of the bond gets 1 hydrogen. Now we've made our 5-hexene-1-ol structure.